Teachers forming lasting relationship with students is it's just not an extra. It is a heartbeat or the heartbeat of meaningful learning. Why? Because when students feel seen, heard, and genuinely valued, something shifts. Engagement deepens, confidence grows, and classroom becomes spaces of trust rather than compliance. What has your journey been like, either as a teacher or a student? Can you spend some time today and think about that and thank a teacher or a student who has been most valuable on your journey? Why? Because lasting impact in education is really rooted in content alone. I believe it is built in on those moments of care, those moments of consistency, and the presence that tells a learner that, look, you matter here. And that message actually changes everything. So today, if you are an educator in the classroom, spend some time to allow the students to feel seen and valued and heard. Have a nice day. Bye for now.